So if you watch this channel a lot, you know this back wall, you know this space, but I need to show you a new space that's coming. So there is a real problem in being in a basement. Well, there's two main problems. The first one is that I have a family, I have little kids, and so with that, this basement, it's right underneath our living room, and then it's also when I play guitar, it's pretty close to where my kids sleep. So that means I don't get to be loud. And so, let me show you another place. So this is a place where, well, the second thing, real quick. The second thing is that this basement, when it rains, like it's raining now, it gets pretty gross. And sometimes it takes rain. So, let me introduce you to this. Our standalone garage. Some work started yesterday. I'll show you a time lapse of that work. But in here, it's all ready today. So the concrete truck is coming today, and they're going to pour a new floor in here. Then we're gonna insulate the walls. We're gonna put more new electric in the walls. We took out the garage door yesterday, and so after the garage door comes out, we're gonna take out these corner blocks up here, and so everything from here down is going to, we'll put a new wall in here, we'll put a single door, we'll put new shiplap siding on the side. It'll look the same, it'll look like just a boring, it won't look like a garage because it'll have a single door. But it will be unassuming, which that's the thing I want. But this space, soon, this wall will be the main wall that you guys see. In a bunch of ways, this is still really awesome and super helpful because first, it's at my house. That's my favorite part of being self-employed and the YouTube life. One of the biggest benefits is that I get to be at home with my family a lot. But I do need just a little bit of space that I can be louder and that I can record whenever I need. And the biggest one is that I can not wake up my kids with loud rock and roll guitar, and I'll be able to just jump in and film a video. Because right now, so much of my time gets put into setup, breakdown, oh, well, I can't do it because a kid is sleeping, or they're watching a movie, or whatever it is. So I'm super excited about this. So the contractor that we're hiring for this is one of my oldest and dearest friends, Caleb. He is amazing. He's so hardworking. We've been friends for a long time. And so he's taking care of a lot of this stuff. It's super exciting. It's all going to happen in the next couple weeks. So I'm trying to figure out, there's one last big expense, which is a mini split. So a mini split would probably go up here on the wall. That would allow me to do heating and cooling in here so that this space is properly temperature controlled and humidity controlled, because I'm going to have a lot of guitars in here. And I've alluded to this project and I've already had people ask, and it's incredibly kind. And it also puts me in a strange position. So I've had people that want to support this effort. They want to give me money to help make new videos. So the first way you can do that, and it feels tacky, so please bear with me. The first one is if you want to support the work of this channel, to teach people how to buy and sell guitars, to show cool guitars that you don't get to see most of the time, you can become a patron. $3 a month, $10 a month, or $30 a month. You can find the level that works best for you. And the last one is I have a PayPal account, so I'll put the address down here in the video and then also in the description down below if you want to just send money to offset, because this, you know, is not a cheap endeavor. But it is for the good of guitar players. I'm really excited about all of the things I will get to do in this space that I don't get to do currently in my basement. So anyway, concrete truck is coming today, so they should be here before too long.
Chase down a brand new adventure. Step up, step out and enter in. There's no time for stalling. The wild is calling. When you risk it all, you learn to feel alive.
Soon this will be a fully cool, awesome YouTube studio.